do? We have to decide. Are we gonna keep it?
Yeah, let's keep fish, right?
That, let's keep it.
There you go. That's a
eat
good
it.
eating size one, yeah. Pretty. Pretty panache.
Oh. Come on.
That's a
got a
pretty
barb on
good
it.
fish.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good bite too.
He's been caught before. You can tell by his jaw there, right?
Yeah. Let's just pop that
Mandible.
maxillary bone.